Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're not in the MRS, as you guys can see. We're in Billy's car, the IS300. Oh, let me turn on the radio before I get copyrighted. So yeah, today's video we're mainly going to be talking about our plans for the Toyota MRS. Actually, give me a second. So yeah, as I said, we're going to be talking about our plans for the Toyota MRS. So what I was thinking is, obviously I really want to do the 2ZZ swap, have that 6-speed tranny too. I really want to get the one with the what it's called, the LSD, because I'm planning on tracking my car for sure. It's really something I want to do, something I want to learn and get better at. So we're gonna make sure to emphasize the build of my Toyota MRS towards tracking for sure. So after that, I really need a hard top. I need a hard top, one, because I have holes in my soft top. Second, it makes the car look better with the new paint too. It doesn't look too raggedy also. So it's something that we're definitely gonna have to do to the car. Of course, when we talk about mods, we obviously have to touch the suspension. I'm thinking of going coilovers. I already have the TRD H pattern chassis support for underneath the brace. So it's something that I have already, but I need the shrug bar, the front shrug bars, the back shrug bars. Give me a second here. So yeah, I'm gonna need the front shrug bars, the back shrug bars. After that, like I said, coilovers. I'm gonna go with get coilovers. We're gonna get a polyurethane bushing for all these suspension parts, so we don't have too much play with that rubber. I'm also gonna do sway bars, tires, wheels, all that good stuff. It's gonna take time, guys. I really want to build the perfect track car, I guess. Well, not track car, because I don't want it to go full track car. Maybe semi track and semi street. I don't think I'm gonna go GT300 for the body kit on it, but for the order of things, I'm thinking of probably hitting up. Maybe I'm really thinking this summer of going with the chassis and the suspension parts, and start with the engine next year, because me and some boys were planning on going to Japan next year. So what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do is, while I'm there, I'm gonna be checking out 2ZZs over there, because I'm really obsessed with ITVs, and I want in the future, I really want my 2ZZ to have ITVs in there. Oh, this engine sounds so good. Ooh. It sounds good. So yeah, as I was saying, the 2ZZ, it's something I really want to build. It's something I want to do with me and my team, with my boys. I want to learn to do it. I want to see how to do it. I want to do everything by myself, and see the progression of my car, instead of paying people to do. I will obviously be paying people for complicated stuff I can't be doing myself, but for the most part, I want to be able to do everything by myself. Let's say I need a fabrication part. Well, obviously I don't have a fabrication part at home. I'll probably have to do that somewhere. But all the swap, especially the build, because I really want to build my engine so I can rev maybe 88, 8700 RPMs and go all the way to that red line zone. So that's pretty much what I'm thinking of doing for the build of the car. For the most part, touching the engine, making sure the intake, the exhaust system, everything has been touched, and everything's working efficiently for the most gains, the most power. I really want to stick with this build. I'm gonna try to do my best to stick with everything, most of my parts from Japan. Have a complete JDM swap, pretty much all my parts, pretty much everything I get from this car, I really want them from Japan, except for some stuff that it's easier to get from here, you know. I want what's an example, like springs. I'll probably, like, no, not even springs, because I'm going coilover, so I won't need springs, but like, I don't know, like something minor that I could get here, then I'll just get it here instead of like paying a lot of shipping from Japan. But like the big parts of the car, I really want to stick JDM. Since I have the thing already original from Japan, might as well stick with it and have something different from everyone else. I've been following a lot of YouTubers or like forums and stuff like that, and really make something different, so like I can inspire people to go their own ways and not to be afraid to try stuff, for sure. Woo. Oh, I love this engine. So that's pretty much what I'm thinking about. Just to recap, this summer I really want to focus on the hardtop for sure. I'm going to start focusing on chassis and suspension parts. So by suspension parts, like I really want to hit the hardtop first. By suspension parts, try to get coilovers this summer. With the hardtop and coilovers, that's actually pretty expensive, because hardtops, I'm thinking of going either like getting my hardtop in Japan, so that's a good $2,000 right there, and coilovers are almost like $2,000 too. So yeah, that's like $4K right there. Maybe what I might do this year is get the hardtop, get my bushings, all that good stuff, get my roll bars, you know, get my struts, and by the end of summer, hopefully I have enough money saved up to get the coilovers, and then by winter, if I end up hitting Japan really next spring, get my 2ZZ, get it here, get it shipped here, and then install that baby next April, next May, and then really see the progression of the car for sure. But more videos will be coming up, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like my videos. I really appreciate you guys for what you guys are doing. You guys keep giving me support. I really appreciate that. It's really nice, and thank you so much. And a lot more new content and more information will be coming to the channel for sure. I'm actually on my way to the gym, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.